The river is dynamic, swelling and receding with rainfall and snowmelt. Inertia can force a river to respond to obstacles in its course. Riverbanks can erode. Gravel and infrastructure can be displaced. Rivers change course. Rivers can, at times, run dry. What's revealed is a landscape as prone to drought as it is to flood. Drought and flood underlies the 5-day programming week called Watershed Plus Dynamic Environments Laboratory that took place in Calgary in January 2016. Extending the format of the original Watershed Plus Laboratory on green stormwater infrastructure 3 years earlier, this second lab was a week-long program. The premise, to uncover an understanding of the local landscape within a wider context. From an international call, 5 artists were selected by a jury and invited to Calgary to interact and learn from engineers, planners, ecologists, field service managers, wastewater treatment specialists, and others who were part of the overall system. What resulted was a 5-day intensive of presentations, tours, interactive exercises, and discussions. Ideas from morning presentations were continued with questions between artists and city staff on the bus en route to a site. Tours went upstream, 220 kilometers north of the city to the water source at the Bow River Basin, and downstream to a historic Siksika Nation's river crossing called Blackfoot Crossing. The importance of connecting the glaciers with a historic river crossing revealed a process open with exploration, but also one that seeks to support a more holistic living system. Tours headed to natural wetlands, to sites of the riverbank where reparation is taking place, and to the facilities that treat drinking water and wastewater. Throughout the week, there was a tone of innovation, from world-class facilities to the search for best practices and an openness to embrace new ideas. Artists and hydrologists spoke the same language, with different dialects, but with an understanding that public art has the potential to inform at the granular level. Members of the local arts community were present at many of the talks and tours throughout the week. By the 5th and final day, it was clear to participants that the water system is full of complexity, inclusive of social and ecological considerations. But equally, that water held a great deal of wonder. The term epic was used by one artist to describe the week. Embracing the qualities of time, legacy, and heritage opened the door to fresh relationships with water, widening connections with the scale of ecological time.